Learning new things used to take me forever. I would watch 2-hour tutorials on YouTube, read 10,000-word blog posts, but still feel like I wasn't making any progress. But everything changed when I started using AI to learn faster. Now I can master a new skill in a fraction of the time because AI lets me focus on what actually moves the needle. Let me show you my exact process. Say I want to learn something called time series forecasting. Instead of watching a 2-hour course first, I go straight to ChatGPT and I ask it, explain time series forecasting to a beginner in 5 bullet points with real examples. After that, I have a clear understanding of what it is and I can decide if I want to dive deeper. Next, I ask ChatGPT to create a learning plan for me. I say, create a 5-day learning plan with YouTube links, practice tasks and checkpoints to learn time series forecasting. And just like that, ChatGPT creates a custom roadmap for me. It's like having a private tutor who did all the research for me. Then when I'm learning, let's say I'm reading a white paper which is 40 pages long. I don't try to read and understand everything. Instead, I copy the text and paste it into ChatGPT. Then I ask it to summarize the key points for me. I say, summarize this in 3 bullet points. Or I ask it to turn the text into flashcards. I say, turn this into flashcards. And boom, done. No overwhelm, I also use ChatGPT to quiz myself. So I paste the text from my notes and say, ask me 5 questions to test my understanding. And there you go. I've just created an instant practice session. Now I've learned and applied this process to so many different skills. Whether it's time series forecasting, copywriting, persuasion, public speaking, or even learning a new language, AI makes the entire process of learning so much faster. I learn faster, I remember more, and I waste less time. And the best part is, it's completely free. You don't have to pay for expensive courses or hire a private tutor. AI is your instant teacher, your personal tutor, and your coach all in one. And it's available 24/7. AI is not going to replace teachers or experts, but it can accelerate our learning. It can make us better, faster, and smarter. So if you're not using AI to learn new skills, you're missing out.